The volume of laundry in dormitories is extremely high because so many students use them every day. It's why we need laundry system that is extra durable, and we are very sensitive to power consumption. That's why we recently switched to LG. It has this new driving mechanism, and it is extra durable. It's so much better than our old one. And our electricity and water bills are much lower, and the savings are just from 1 month. If you multiply by 12 months, it's going to save us a lot of money. And that's not all. It's easy to maintain the washing tubs, and it's easy to install in small spaces, which means that more students will be able to use clean washing machines conveniently. Switching to LG commercial laundry system was a great choice. It's perfect for the dormitory where we work. And I think the word is spreading quickly. More and more dormitories are switching to LG commercial laundry system.